Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix if you're getting this type of notification on your iPhone or iPad device. Important display message, unable to verify this iPhone has a genuine Apple display. So the important display message on iPhone usually appears after a screen replacement and indicates that the device cannot verify the authenticity of the new display. This message does not affect the functionality of the screen, but it will remain in the setting until addressed. So in this video, I'll show you how you can disappear this type of message on your iPhone or iPad device after updating iPhone device to the latest version iOS 18. So first of all, here you'll have to close this tab. After that, first of all, here you will need to open setting on your iPhone or iPad device. So open this. Then after that, here you'll have to scroll down, then tap on general. So after that, tap on soft update, and here make sure that you are using an updated version of iOS. If you don't have an updated version of iOS, then you will have to update your iPhone device to the latest available version. So after that, here you will have to simply force restart your iPhone device by tapping on the volume up button, then volume down, then press the power button until Apple logo appears. Here you will have to force restart your iPhone device. Press until Apple logo appears. Now you will have to release your thumb. So here you will have to wait until it turn on. So after that, here you will have to unlock your iPhone device. So here let's check that this problem fixed or not. Open setting, then scroll down, then tap on general, then tap on about, and here check that the problem has been fixed and that notification has been disappeared on my iPhone device. So in this way, you can disappear this type of notification on your iPhone device if you're having this type of problem on your iPhone device. So in this way, you can fix this problem. So that's it from this video. Thanks for watching this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.